Snezhina will show you exactly what you can do there. Let's start with the slides.
Okay, now I would like to show you a quick demo of Docupedia. What you see here is the front page, but I would like to go to the system for a quick tour. Okay. So this is the front page of Docupedia. It consists of several widgets. These are the boxes with the blue title bars. First, you can see a list of the spaces available on Docupedia. Each space contains its own documentation set. In the case, for example, like SAP NetWeaver CE or the Business Objects Explorer. Or we have several spaces which focus on specific documentation areas of a larger project, which is SAP NetWeaver 7.0. We also have some featured content which we use in order to focus the attention of our community members to specific documentation topics. A nice way of recognizing our most active community members is the Top Contributors widget. There we list their name as a form of recognition. We also like to see what our community members think about the project, about our documentation. So we post polls now and then, and we enjoy a good participation rate. What you see here is the recent activity on Docupedia, what's going on. Here are registered events like editing a document, commenting, voting on a poll, posting new documents, and so on. All documents on Docupedia are automatically tagged, but our users can also create their own tags. They can tag them as they see fit, and we have tag groups, and which can also be used in the documentation search. In order to help visitors on Docupedia to navigate easily in the SAP documentation landscape, we have provided some external links to other documentation sources on SAP, like the SAP Community Network, the SAP Help Portal, and the SAP Marketplace. I shall now go to one of the Docupedia spaces. This is the CE space. As you can see, it looks much like the front page with the widgets. We have the top contributors, the polls, the highlight topics, the external links, the tags, and the recent activity. But I would like to draw your attention to the search bar, which is available everywhere on Docupedia, and this is the place where most of our users start their documentation search. And we shall now conduct a simple search. Okay, these are the search results. As you can see, the keywords are highlighted, and on the right you can see from which documentation space this document comes from. So here is our document, and this is the wiki page itself. On the left you can see the navigation tree, which is a feature our readers are used to from the SAP Help Portal. So we kept it here as well. It helps easier navigation within the documentation. This is the wiki. As you can see, you can rate it, you can edit it, but this is a feature available only to registered users. All visitors on the site can view the content, but you need to register in order to have access to features like commenting, rating, adding new documents, and so on. So, here is how you can edit the page. Okay, you see it's a simple wiki editor. You can add stuff. You can add your own attachments. You can add your own tags. And when you're ready, you can publish it or save it as a draft. I won't be saving anything at the moment. So you can also create an entirely new document of your own. If you want further information, you can start a discussion, you can request content. You can also subscribe by email to this topic. This is a feature especially useful. This is a feature useful to both readers and writers. When writers subscribe to their own topics, they get a notification every time somebody comments or edits their documents, so they can react quickly. And we also have some contextually related documents to the document you are currently viewing. I also wanted to show you one more feature, which is the version comparison. This is particularly useful if you quickly want to see the delta between a node and a new version. It's it's not very well visible here, but anyway, I shall go down. Okay, here this thing has been deleted. If it's new content, it's highlighted in green. So I shall now go back to our presentation. Okay.